Okay, my name is Miss Moser, and I'll be teaching your class today. We're on problem number 1. Okay, I think everyone got this right. If you edit the... Oops, just a second. Okay, 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 5 is 15, over 15. 15 over 15 is just 1, and 1 squared is 1. We're on problem number 2. Okay, so for this one, you want to do 3 times 2 first. So that makes it 4 plus 6 divided by 2. 4 plus 6 is 10, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So we get 5 squared, which is 25. We're on problem number 3. Okay, so for this one, we have 81 plus 19 over 2. 81 and 19 is 100, and 100 divided by 2 is 50. So 50 squared is 2,500. We're on problem number 4. Probably do that. We're on problem number 5. Okay, so for this one we have 6 minus 2 is 4, and 4 squared is 16. So we have 9 times 16 plus 6 over 25. 9 times 16 is 144, plus 6 is 150. And 150 divided by 25 is 6. Okay, so good job. Okay, the number for today is 3. Okay, homework check. Bring it back to Mr. Skinner. Bring up 1 through 3. The answers for 1 through 3 are -4, -11, and -3. Bring up 4 through 6. The answers for 4 through 6 are 3, 6, and -6. Bring up 7 through 9. The answers for 7 through 9 are -8, -10, and 5. Bring up 10 through 12. The answers for 10 through 12 are 0, 5, 0. Okay, bring up 13 through 15. The answers for 13 through 15 are -9, -11, and 3. Any questions about the homework? No? Okay, today's objective is demonstrate fluency in computations using real numbers. And the today's learning target today is add, subtract, multiply, and divide positive and negative numbers. Okay, so we have positive 20 divided by a positive 4. A positive divided by a positive will give us a positive number, so we have 5. Negative 20 divided by positive 4 will give us a negative number. So that gives us -5. We have a positive 20 divided by a -4 also will give us a negative number. So again, that's -5. And then a negative number divided by a negative number will give us a positive number. So -20 divided by -4 is going to give us +5. Okay. Same rules apply for here. So -30 divided by a +3, that's -10. -30 divided by -3, that's a +10. 30 divided by 3, again, +10. And a +30 divided by a -3 will give us -10. Practice problem number 1. Okay, so here we have -48 divided by 16. That's a negative divided by a positive, and that's going to give us a -3. Anybody who had -3, come on up. Alright, so this is -12 divided by -4, 2 negatives, so we get a +3. So again, this is a negative divided by a negative. It'll give us a positive number, and 36 divided by 12 is 3. Oh, practice problem number 2. Okay, practice problem number 2. -64 divided by a +16 is going to give us a -4. So anybody who had -4, come on up. Okay, 72 divided by 12 is 6. Good job, guys. Okay, speed problem. This one, we need to do this first. So we got 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 squared is 16. So 3 plus 2 times 16 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 20. Oops. So 2 times 16 is 32. So we've got 3 plus 32 makes it 35, plus 2 plus 3 will make it 40. So 40 divided by 20 is 2. Okay, so for this one, we need to do this first. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So we've got 2 plus 2 times 4. Plus 6 times 2 plus 1 over 6. Alright, 2 times 4 is 8, and 6 times 2 is 12. So we just add all these up, we get 9, plus 8 is 17, plus 12 is 29, plus 1 is 30, and 30 divided by 6 makes it 5. Number 3. Okay, so for this one, we do this first. 4 squared is 16. 16 divided by 8 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6, so we get 6 squared, and 6 squared is 36. Number 4. Okay, guys, I think everybody got this one right. We need to do this right here first. So 3 times 2 is 6, so that makes this 9, minus 6 plus 2 squared. 9 minus 6 is 3, plus 2 is 5, and 5 squared is 25. Number 5. Okay, I think everyone got this right too. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5, minus 6 is negative 1, negative 1 plus 10 is positive 9, and 9 minus 2 is 7. So you just go through this whole entire line. I think everyone did that. Alright. Okay, example problem number 3. When we have negative 3 minus a negative 4, when we have a when we're subtracting a negative, we can change this to plus positive. So a negative 3 plus a positive 4, the 4 is bigger, that's going to give us a positive 1. 5 minus negative 6, we can change this to plus positive 6. So 5 plus 6 will give us 11. Alright, number 4. Okay. We have a positive 5 and a negative 2. 5 plus negative 2 will give us a positive 3. A negative 3 plus a negative 6 is going to give us negative 9. So for this one, we have a negative 7 minus negative 3. Can change this to plus positive. A negative 7 plus 3. Negative 7 is bigger, so we're going to get a negative 4. Anybody had negative 4? Come on up. We have negative 4 minus negative 2. When we have two negatives, we can just change it to positive. So we get negative 4 plus a positive 2. This is negative 4 is bigger, then we get negative 2. Okay, practice problem number 4. A negative 8 plus a negative 2 is going to give us negative 10. Okay, I think everyone got this right. We have a positive 5 plus a negative 2. That's going to give us a positive 3. Okay. For this one, we have a negative 9 plus a positive, or minus a negative 2, so we can change that to plus positive. We've got negative 9 plus 2 So our negative 9 is bigger. This is the same thing as like 2 minus 9. So negative 9 plus 2 will be negative 7. I think most...
Can the people on the far side during speed problems go around the front of the desk? Oh no.
Sorry. I just need to do this real fast. I just recorded myself saying that too.